It's time to get your CoolJarz HotShot Pro's motor service. We've made it even easier to do this periodic task. Whether you purchase the HotShot Pro by itself or our Pro Plus bundle with an extra motor, removing the motor is very easy. Having an extra motor on hand will get you up and going in just minutes as you send just the motor off to our California service center to have your motor serviced. You'll need just 3 tools for this task, all of which are included in your HotShot Pro toolkit: the 6-in-1 screwdriver, a 3/16 hex wrench, and a 5/16 wrench. First, make sure your HotShot Pro is off, cooled down, and unplugged from the power outlet. Now, take your 6-in-1 tool and remove the bit. Using the hex wrench, remove the bulkhead and needle from your HotShot Pro. Next, remove the 2 bolts holding the nose onto the unit using your 3/16" hex wrench. Once these are removed, you can slide off the nose off the extender rod, allowing the USB plug to unseat from the nose. Now, using the 5/16 wrench, remove the extender rod from the motor. With the machine flipped around, loosen the 2 thumb studs holding the electrical plug on. Once these are completely loose, grasp the plug, not the wires, and wiggle it side to side to remove it from the receptacle. I like to place a towel underneath the HotShot Pro for this last step, as the motor will be loose and could fall. Using the same 3/16" hex wrench, remove the 2 screws at the top of the chassis. Please note, once you start removing the second screw, the motor will be loose. I usually place a hand to guide the motor down. With the 2 screws removed, the motor is free to slide out of the machine. Reinstalling a motor is pretty much the reverse of what I showed, but here's a quick recap with some tips. Orientate the motor with the 2 bolt holes according to the chassis holes. Make sure the wire is pointing towards the single leg. I start with 1 bolt already in the chassis. Screw the first bolt 80% of the way, the second bolt all the way down, and back to the first bolt to fully tighten. Plug the electrical adapter into the receptacle, notating the orientation. Wiggle the connector from side to side until it is fully seated. Then tighten the 2 thumb studs down and check that it's fully connected. Now reinstall the connecting rod by starting it by hand and tightening using the 5/16" wrench. Slide the nose over the connecting rod, notating the hole. This does fit very snugly. Before you fully push the nose in, reattach the USB plug into the space, pushing the wire over the connecting rod. Install the 2 nose bolts using your hand to guide them in the slot. Screw the first bolt 80% of the way, the second bolt all the way down, and back to the first bolt to fully tighten. Reinstall the bulkhead and needle, and you've completed this easy procedure. Now, simply send your motor into our service center, and we'll get it fully serviced and back to you even quicker. Got a question? Drop it in the comment section below. If you like these videos, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.